Hi everybody and welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of fixes why does your device keep disconnecting and how you can easily fix it. So this tutorial is not 100% accurate. It's because your issue might be some different, of course, and I'm just telling you the most common fixes for these issues. So if it does disconnect automatically or sometimes but often, you at first have to do a soft reset. To do a soft reset, unplug the speaker from the power outlet, wait 10 to 20 seconds until the this red LED light turns off, and after this time you have to plug this device back in the power outlet and check if your speaker is good. If it's good, that's fine, but if it isn't good, check if you're using the original power adapter. If you use, that's great. If you don't, you have to use the original because the original is the best. And if it didn't help you, you have to do a hard reset. But if the hard reset doesn't help you, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken.